Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Prestone Tensong, Haba kran halor kejing bom yo tulop kinong trei hapo Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, ulaong babarok lai tali ke District Council, la aibor bakin sensyar hi yalade, bat kide ban Pynmih Pisa hi dalade, kumta ulaong bakarukam thong kamru kide ban rai hi. Kumta ulaong babarok lai tali ke District Council, la kalong ke HADC, JHADC, GHADC, kajuja man usnam bagi nong trei kim juyo tulop nagi benai, Hendai haki HADC kamju khamja ulaong. Kumta ula ajingmut ya barok lai tali ke District Council bakin sengot ho kumno ban penduna ya gajing pendut. Kumta ulaong meminta ke sorkar ke buah gajing start ke District Council bakan penyat bahaya ke Pisa tingka bat sengot ho ya gajing ke bagi kenduk. Haba keli la ke sorkar kan pelai Pisa nak benta kinong trei haji HADC namar baki nong trei kim yo tulop hadu sau pelai benai uba Prestone ulaong baka sorkar keju pelai ya ke Pisa nak benta ke bahak bala benta ya ke GHADC, kumta ulaong baka sorkar kan sapet nak benta kini ki artali ke District Council. Hak bede baka jing keno baka dan ke jing penenkam baklai ke Pisa ke bahadu shispa kelur tam, bala yo nak sorkar pedeng ha GHADC, uba Prestone ulaong baya kata ki deban penshisha la ke de shisha ne.
If you ask me the question of the salary of all the district council, first, I should tell you about all the districts, all the three district councils in the state of Meghalaya. You know well that all these three district councils, they are autonomous. They are supposed to manage, they are supposed to generate revenue on their own. And I'm very sure according to that capacity, then appointment or recruitment is accordingly decided. So therefore, as far as the three district councils concerned, be it Jate Hills, be it Khas Hills and be it Garo Hills, I've seen not only this year, in so many years, this issue keep happening. Sometimes the staff did not get salary for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, except maybe in Khas Hills District Council. Otherwise, as I said to you, so many years it happened that way only. So ultimately, from the government side, we have nothing to say much. But we would like to only suggest and advise all the three district councils to also understand, to minimize the unnecessary expenditure. Because if you don't do that, if you earn 100 rupees, you spend 200 rupees, then you tell me that 100 rupees you spend more than what you earn, what will happen? So this is my reply to the issue of the salary crisis of Garo Hills, even Jante Hills discourse.
Well, 53 months is not too much for employees.
Sorry?
43 months. 53 months.
That's what I'm saying. It is. It is too much. And then Garo Hills also, it is too much. Even 2-3 months, it's not issue. You get a point? How the employees manage to survive? Even 2 months, 3 months. So now we leave it to the wisdom of the respective district councils. They need to also manage financially well and understand the crisis that they are facing.
Whether the government will bail out this time, because 43 months is long pending salaries, whether government will at least release some amount.
So you see, releasing of the amount, there were incidents where we ultimately helped them out. by way of releasing advance share due to the district council. We used to do that, and we keep doing that. Okay, so we will see again with the situation that we have seen in both these two district councils. We will see what can be done.
GHADC allegation is that there was misappropriation of funds given by the sender, 100 plus crore, leading to this situation. Even Logaita case is also pending. Your response?
Where?
In GHADC.
Garo Hills is concerned. Well, that I think it is too early to say anything because you know well, audit also is there. I think they are the one who will verify to find out whether misappropriation happens or not. So let us wait till the report is placed.